Good morning. Today I'm at the Blue Mountains and I'm going to do a walk with some friends. We're heading out from Pierce Pass, which is where I'm at the moment, or the top of Pierce Park car park, and we're going to head down Pierce Pass and then along the valley just down here, and we're going to head up to Blue Gum Forest. So it should be a really nice walk today. It was so hot yesterday and today it's quite cold, so it's yeah, a bit of an extreme change, but check out those cliffs over there. It's just spectacular with the sun on them. Yeah, so the weather looks pretty nice today. It's going to be cool, about 17 degrees today, but yeah, it's blue sky, sunshine, no rain, so yeah, looking forward to it. Should be nice. So I'm heading home now. We've had a pretty good walk today. Yeah, we came up that hill. That last hill was hard work, but we still managed. It took us an hour to get down it, and it took us an hour to come back up. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. So just come through Bilpin and heading back down Bells Line Road. Eventually, I'll join on to the M7 motorway and head home from there. So it's yeah, been a really good day. Thanks for joining me. A little bit different this time, but yeah, I'll see you next time.